Zana and welcome to Year 2 Phonics. We're up to lesson 61. Today we are learning about all the different sounds the long I, all the different graphemes the long I sound can make. But before we do that, let's warm up so that we can listen to all those sounds. Let's warm up with our phonological awareness. We're going to do it with some writing today again. So you need something to write on and something to write with. When you're ready, come back and join me. All good to go? All right, ready? What's our first word? Listen to the sounds in this word. The first word is dream. Tap and say the sounds in dream. D-R-E-M. Dream. Let's write the sounds as we say them. Are you ready? Do it with me. D-R-E-M. Dream. Did you get that? Fantastic. We're going to change the first sound now. Listening carefully, we're going to change the D to a K. What's that make? Have you said it in your head? Have you got it? Cream. Well done. We're going to use the C for the K sound today. So let's say the sounds as we write them. K-R-E-M. Cream. Fantastic job. Now we're going to add a sound at the start. So we're going to make a consonant blend, a consonant cluster. Are you ready? We're going to add a S to the start of cream. So if you have cream and you add S, what do you get? Well done, scream. Say the sounds as you write it. S, K, R, E, M. I hope you don't need to scream while you're doing your lesson today. Are you ready? We're going to change another sound. We're going to change this K sound. We're going to change the K to a T. What does that make? Say it in your head. You got it? Let's say the sounds and write it. S, T, R, eem. Stream. A stream's like a little river or a creek. A stream. Ready for the last one? We're going to change that final sound. We're going to take out the and put in a K. What does that make? Stream to streak. Well done. Eek. We're on a winning streak, I think, today. You have done a great job. Can you see that we kept that long E sound in there the whole time? And then we built our word and made it a little bit bigger. Well done for that. Okay, we've done our phonological awareness. We've been listening really carefully for those sounds. Now let's tune into the graphemes and do our grapheme deck. See how fast you can go today. You ready? R, U or oo. I, ow or o. A, s. That one makes it a soft sound. N. A, end of words. Sh. Air, as in pear. Long sound, E. Short sound, E. Oi, end of words. Or. 3 sounds. Got them? Ch, k, sh. O. Soft sound, S. Oo, U. U. Oo, as in glue. Qu. I. Or. J. I, as in tire. A. First choice for spelling. Well done. Now let's look at our definitions. This time today, because we've been doing it so much, I'm going to try it a little bit differently. I'm going to say the definition and then see if you can say what it is before I do. Are you ready? A single sound in a word. What is it? It's a phoneme. Well done. A letter or a group of letters that represent one sound is a grapheme. You got it. Glad you're beating me. A beat in a word that always has a vowel sound. I heard you. Syllable. Well done. 2 letters together that represent one sound. You got it. Digraph. 3 letters together that represent one sound. Trigraph, did I beat you that time? And then 4 letters that go together to represent a single sound. Quadgraph, you got it. You have been doing them so much. You are so fantastic at them now. All right, so remember I said at the start that we were going to do some stuff with the long I sound, looking at all the different graphemes that can represent the long I sound. There's a lot of them. Let's have a look here. At the top of the board, I've written some of them down for us. So we've got the trigraph, 3 letters making one sound. We've got the trigraph I. We've got IE making I. Y at the end of a short word making I. Split vowel, IE. We've got another split vowel here with the Y making the I sound like entire. And then open syllable I on its own. There's a lot of them to remember, and you know how we like to have those little memory hooks? We've got a very cute one today again. This is our shy tiger. So our memory hook for the long I sound today is the shy tiger tried to hide at night behind a tyre. And you can see the little tiger there. He does look very shy, trying to hide behind this tyre at night time. So all the long I graphemes are there in this little sentence to help you remember. So that one will come up on your screen for you to have a look at as well. So the shy tiger tried to hide at night behind a tyre. Let's have a look at some more words now with all the different graphemes that represent the long I sound. We're going to do some reading together. Let's pop this up here. I'm going to put it over the top of all our I's. Now, because it's the first time we're doing them, they are all highlighted for us so we can see where the red sounds are. They are our I sounds. So where those red graphemes are highlighted, they're our I sounds. So let's have a look in this first row. Short word, Y at the end making I. The word is cry. Well done. Light, light. Ike, bike. I, pie. Fantastic. Second row. Have a look through first before we read it, because I'm going to get you to read it along with me. We're going to echo read and read at the same time. Are you ready? Spider, tire, dislike, reapply. Did you get all of those ones? Excellent. Remember, you can always go back and read again if they were a little bit tricky. Last row. Ooh, have a look along here. Have a quick read for yourself first. I'm going to scoop them as you might want to read them. Oh, this word has 2 I's in it. Can you see any prefixes and suffixes as you're reading? And there's a compound word in there too. Did you spot that? All right, you ready? Let's read together. Choral reading. Vibrate, twilight, untie, skylight. Did you get them all? Good job. Let's go through and read a couple of these rows a little bit faster now that we've had some practice. Let's go with row 2. Are you ready? Spider, tire, dislike, reapply. Row 1. Cry, light, bike, pie. You keeping up with me? I'm going pretty fast today. Row 3. Vibrate, twilight, untie, skylight. Well done. Remember, if you're finding these tricky, you can always pause the video and read them through again. Let's see what we know about these words now. I've got some questions for you. Which 2 words have a prefix in them that means not? Which 2 words have the prefix that means not? Have a look at the list. We've done a few prefixes and we know the ones that mean not. What can you see? Which prefixes mean not? Ah, you found them? This one here means not. Dislike. I don't like it. And un means not as well. Untie. Did you get both of those? Well done. My next question. In the third row is a word that means to rapidly move to and fro. So it goes like that. Can you find the word that means that? It's a tricky word. If something's rapidly moving to and fro, it means it's going up and down or side to side really quickly, like that. What is that word? Is it skylight? No. Untie? Twilight? Vibrate. Yeah, that's the one. Vibrate. It's when something goes really fast, backwards and forwards. Next one. Twilight has two different spellings of the long I sound. Can you find the other word in our grid that does that? Which other word in our grid has two different spellings of the long I sound in it? It has two long I sounds in the word. Twilight ends in the same word as well. It's another compound. Skylight. Did you find it? It's got the Y making I and IGH making I. Skylight. So twilight and skylight. And they rhyme too. Well done. Okay, done our reading. You know what comes next. We're going to write some words. And because there's so many of them, I will give you a clue as to which ones you need to use. So let's take down our reading and pop up our writing. Oh, it's all the stuff we've been hiding underneath. Okay. Remember all these choices? Going to be some tricky spelling, but I will help you. Okay, got you something to write on and something to write with from the start of the lesson? Fantastic, let's go. Our first word is tire. Tire. T-I-R. Tire. Now this is that tricky one where the Y, it's the split Y making the I sound. So, T-I-R. Tire. Did you get it? Good job. Let's say and write the sounds again. Actually, you know what I did? Is that E making a sound? No, it's not. I'm going to write it down here because otherwise I'm not going to have enough room for all my words. I got a bit excited splitting my sounds up. T-I-R. And there's that E making that split sound. I bet you didn't get tricked though, did you? Let's write the whole word over here. T-I-R. Tire. Like on your car. You've got 4 tyres on your car and usually have a spare tyre in the boot. Next word, it's got a prefix, dislike. Remember, not. I dislike eating lamb's fry. Blech, yuck. What do you dislike? So dislike. So what's the first bit? Dis. D-is. Dis. The I in like is the split vowel. So have a go. Say it as you write it. See how you go with your spelling. I'm going to do it here. D-I-S. Ooh. I. Oh, now Zana, don't get tricked with that split vowel this time. I didn't. There we go. Dislike. Let's write the whole word. D-I-S-L-I-K. Dislike. Did you get it? Check it if you didn't. Next word. We're going to use 2 I sounds in this word. You worked out what it might be. We saw 2 of them in the reading grid. We're going to use IGH as in I, and we're going to use the Y making I. And the word is skylight. Skylight. S-K-I-L-I-T. Skylight. Say the sounds as you write them. S-K-I, that Y making I in sky. L-I, got to fit the trigraph in there. T, skylight. Check it carefully. Did you get it? Well done. Let's write the whole word. S-K-I-L-I-T. Skylight. Fantastic. I hope your writing's nice and neat today. Mine is okay. I'm going to try even better for the next one. You try even better with yours as well. Are you ready? The next word, something I'm scared of, a spider. Spider. The I in spider is the open syllable I on its own, spider. So S-P-I-D-E, spider. Let's see how we go writing spider. Say the sounds as you do it. S-P-I-D-E. First choice for spelling. Did you get it? Well done. Let's write the whole word and say the sounds as we do it. S-P-I-D-E, spider. That Incy Wincy spider. Or Little Miss Muffet. She has a spider as well, doesn't she? Okay, ready? Last word. This one has a prefix as well. Also, the prefix that means not. Untie. Untie. The I in tie is I-E. Untie. You have a go first. I'm going to wait for you to have a go this time round. So have you had a go? All right, let's check it. Untie. I-E making I, untie. How did you go? I knew you could get it. Let's write the whole word together now. I, untie. Fantastic. Guess what? You've done all the hard work already today. Let's see. What were we supposed to be doing today? We were learning to read and write words with all the different graphemes that make the long I sound. And you did that fantastically. So great. Now, before you can go, I need to give you your independent activity. Let's have a look what it is today. Let's take this one down. It'll come up on your screen so you can read it more easily as well. Your independent activity today, using all these I sounds, we've got a word grid here, and it's a different word grid to the one you saw earlier, so you'll have to read them really carefully. We want you to read the word grid and then use the words in the grid to finish the sentences below. We want you to write the whole sentence. Don't just write the missing word, that's cheating. Write the whole sentence with the correct word in it. And it will be one of the words from the grid, so make sure your spelling is really, really accurate. Okay? See how you go with that. Read them all really carefully. I know you'll be able to do it fantastically, and I know it'll be in your best writing. Thanks for working so hard with me. You have done an amazing job. I'll catch you next time.